Here at Midwest Motors in Eureka, we put together a list of 7 summer car care tips to keep you safe and on the road this summer. Number 1. Tires. Check for uneven wear, PSI, tread depth, and cracks. Number 2. Engine belts. Your serpentine belt runs between the alternator, fan, and other engine parts, so watch for cracking on this. Number 3. Your coolant system. Check the coolant fluid in your car, inspect the state of the hoses and the coolant reservoir. Number 4. Engine fluids. Check your oil, brake, power steering, and windshield washer fluids. Number 5. Shade your car. Invest in a windshield reflector cover. It makes a big difference. Number 6. Air conditioning. Recharging your car's AC means you're cooler quicker. Number 7. Be prepared. You never know what the road will throw at you, so keep essentials like a gas can, spare tire, jack, and bottled water in your trunk. Let Midwest Motors help get your car ready for the summer ahead. Give us a call at 636-938-5777 or visit us online at midwestmotors.biz.